Baby girl. It's a good day. Look at this face. Yeah. Look how pretty I am. Look how big I am. Whoa, hide and seek, isn't it? We're playing hide and seek. That's what that was about. These are some nice curls coming. They'll be nice, big, and shiny. Yes. Very, very shiny. Now that I got my eyes open, I can see everything. Yes, I do. Yes, they're not totally open, but they're almost totally open. Almost. They look almost blue when they're little babies. See? But they usually turn brown. Sometimes they stay blue. Sometimes they get green. But all kinds of beautiful. See you later. See you. Baby, one good pose. Good girl.